this Crochet Amethyst shawl. And it's the most beautiful colorway, and it's great for the summer. And it starts off in this really light lilac and lavender, and then it fades into this light blue, and then a darker, more royal blue, and then it goes right into a more charcoal gray, and then it fades into a dark purple, and then a velvet purple, and then continues to repeat that pattern back down to the light purple and the lilac lavender once again. And I also added a bobble border, as you can see here, across the top of this asymmetrical triangle-shaped shawl. But you can add it all the way around or add more or less bobbles, whatever you would like for your preference. And I think it really takes this shawl to the next level. Starting right over here, you can see we have a chevron pattern developing. And that's because of the way that we're skipping half double crochet stitches, and we have a line running right down the center. And that's because we're working treble crochet or triple crochet stitches around 2 front post stitches, and then we're working extra stitches on both sides, more on one side so we have a larger gap, and that's creating increases so that we can really see the colorway.